go, Patrick? Oh, Patrick, if something were to happen to Gary, well, I don't know what I'd do.
I'm sorry, buddy. Hey, maybe he left a clue. Clue!
Gary's been snail mapped and taken to the lost city of Atlantic City.
Really? And that's awesome. And now we know where he is.
Not really that awesome, Patrick. Listen to this. Made famous by the glitzy palace Poseidon calls home, the lost city of Atlantic City is a scary, vice-ridden cesspool of moral depravity.
Wow, all that and it's lost, too?
King Poseidon has proven himself a whimsical tyrant, known for executing his subjects by beheading them in a flamboyant floor show extravaganza? Our advice for those traveling here is, don't. King Poseidon sounds like a tough customer.
Oh, yeah.
So what? This is about friends, and friends don't let friends become somebody else's fence screen.
I'm a friends do.
So what if it's dangerous and scary?
So what?
What is stopping me right now from going there, rescuing Gary, and standing up to this King Poseidon?
I don't know.
Well, I do.
What is it?
I don't have the courage.
What's the next best thing to courage?
Resolve,
No.
fortitude, commitment, wherewithal, bravery, valor,
What?
grit,
No.
heroism, gallantry, moxie.
Oh, but a wingman.
Wingman?
A friend.
Really, Patrick? You go with me?
Yeah. Great minds.
Do I smell a road trip?
That could be my breath.
Okie dokie. Now let's drill down on the plan. Pat, you're in charge of transpo. Just remember, I don't drive and you don't have a car.
Hey, boys! Don't know if you have any use for this whole thing. If you're going on any trips or journeys or quests or rescue missions, but if you are, Otto is your ticket. Just tell old Otto where you want to go and it will take you there.
All aboard. You're fired.
Cool! Self-driving boat.
Thanks, Plankton. You're the best.
I know. Bye-bye. Otto, find Gary.
You got it.
Yeah, let me try. Take them to the lost city of Atlantic City and don't ever come back! Never hurts to employ a little hyperbole.
It is my pleasure to serve you.
Bon voyage, boys. I'm ready. There it is.
Not sure that really applies, Patrick, but
We're two dudes setting out with a common goal. Argue about something, fight, break up, only to come back together when we realize neither can do it without the other. It's simple.
feels more to me like the journey of a singular hero who, against all odds, triumphs over adversity.
Well, I'd say funny movie and you say, oh, whatever that dumb thing was.
Oh, really? Dumb thing? I'm dumb? Oh, I love your sense of irony, Patrick.
Thank you. I love my sense of irony, too. Maybe if your head wasn't packed full of sand, you could have irony.
Well, that's a head full of sand and a head full of rocks, like yours! In your head.
I should have said your brain was just saying. That was mean. Damn.
Okay. Let's just forget it, huh?
Never happened.
Hop on in, guys.
Roll again.
Come on, guys.
Where's SpongeBob? How should I know? Frankly, you won't find me complaining. SpongeBob! What's with your lollygagging, boy? SpongeBob? 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 Get out here, you idiot! Direct order! I don't get it. He has never missed a work day.
You're my Krabby Crab.
It's coming, sir. It's coming. We're getting in the kitchen and Krabby Patties. All right, Gertrude. What did he say? Sparkle plants, cigarette chats, and oh yes, the little griddle who could. We're fresh from the freezer, said the little. SpongeBob was around? Where is SpongeBob?
Where are we?
We must be dreaming.
You amuse me, SpongeBob. Two people can't have the same dream, let alone be in that same dream at the same time. That would be philosophically untenable.
Indeed. You proffer a metaphysical conundrum.
Wait, we're talking like smart people. This must be a dream.
Once we're on the surface and we're breathing air, so yeah.
Hey, down up ahead!
Oh, there it goes. That's a funny name.
simple tumbleweed. Call me Sage.
Sage.
Hey, Sage. Good name.
Thanks. I'm made out of sage and I am a sage. So it works out pretty well.
I'm Patrick. My name means toaster in Celtic.
Pretty sure it doesn't. This dream you share has a hidden purpose, young seekers.
So we are in a dream.
And I, friend, am the dream weaver.
Are you inside our minds right now?
Yes, Patrick.
Wow.
I am here to help you on your journey, SpongeBob. But first, you must accept a challenge.
I just want to find Gary and bring him home.
Do you love Gary?
More than anything.
And young Sponge, once you meet this challenge, you may pass on to find your precious Gary.
Oh!
challenge lies behind these saloon doors.
Let's go.
Wait.
Come on, Patrick. Let's do
God,
this
challenge
challenge.
straight coming through.
I didn't give you your challenge. Patience, Sage. Patience.
One of those old piano players?